You not read comments or what? You not read comments?
Oh, I'm just to them.
Me not tell you say you can't win nobody. What explanation?
Me not try, babes. Babes, me not try.
Nobody, but you don't need to do it. Me and you good over here, so what go on? You know business about that?
Yeah, no, the music me I talk about, but yeah, me know.
It not really matter.
You reach where you go?
Just, yeah, me do that and then me drop off a package them.
Oh.
I don't need to bring up that. See them start it up back. If you're not going to come clear where you need to clear, then you leave it alone. There's no explanation. We have a platform. You have that. What happened to you? That it happened already and that done.
No, I don't intend to talk about it. You see me, you know, when I don't intend to talk about it, nothing talk. Everybody hold what you want to hold. And for the record, guys, I not try win nobody because I don't know where that go already. I'm a music, I don't want nobody feel like the music was written in at that time there, you see. It was way before, so I just take me not prove, you know. Say, oh yeah.
Alright, here we go on, because nobody, me not make nobody make no money. Here we go on now. Me are gonna stay upon the live, but we are gonna talk about something else. Give them only 30 seconds of screen record. That is it. If you want to have a private conversation, we have membership shit, we have that with the people them. No more. So done with that. No music, no need to talk about, no nothing. Everybody want to make money. Let them do it. Everything good right here.
That's
so
true,
everybody else
That's
hungry.
true,
So let's leave it. You know, you have too much big elderly people will look up to this. We're not talking about no flan. Allow that.
Yeah. Which is
Leave that alone, yo.
What me can say doing, you know, really and truly, some of the time when you sit back and you have to be the one where we have to just observe because of how the situation play out, we have to just be the one where, you know. So me not need to speak on it really and truly. If me need to, then it have to be something where me have to profit monetarily offer. So
yeah,
that's basically. So me not go, to be honest, me not go in
everybody want the influence, everybody want me vlog, everybody want the YouTube, everybody want it not gonna work.